Hi, Julio and David. These are today's corrections, so let's start with some pronunciation. Corazón. Heart. Heart. So it's similar to arte. Art. Art. Heart and art. Okay, be careful with the ch sound. Barato. Cheap. Cheap. So notice how my teeth, cheap, they touch, right? Okay. Ovejas. Sheep. Sheep. So in that one, my teeth don't touch. So careful with cheap and sheep. Okay. Estoy viendo la segunda temporada de Westworld. I'm watching the second season of Westworld. I'm watching the second season of Westworld. Te lo recomiendo. I recommend it. I recommend it. Echa de menos Perú. Does she miss Peru? Does she miss Peru? Okay, and be careful with these numbers. So, right. So, media hora. Half an hour. Half an hour. Una hora y media. An hour and a half. An hour and a half. So you can change that for kilometers or meters or grams or whatever, right? So 1 meter and a half, metro y medio, and then mitad metro, half a meter. Okay. All right, that's it.